So this is the Green Energy Literary Initiative. Our mission was to make sure everybody knows about green energy and the ways you can use it. And so we went around to classes that are younger, mostly from kindergarten to third grade, and told them about different ways of using green energy. The examples we used were wind, electric car, and solar panels to show them different ways of using green energy.
First, when we go to the classrooms, we ask the students if they've ever seen a windmill before. And then we'll show them our presentation. In our presentation, we have a biblical integration, and we show them who made it and how it was made. And then we would tell them how windmills help us in the program we use to do it. After we finish the presentation, we take a blow dryer and blow our Lego-made windmill to show them how it collects energy.
In our Green Energy Literacy Initiative project, we decided to use an electric car to demonstrate one of the most popular producers of energy. So we went around with the electric car to represent our innovation model, and I believe that it was a great interpretation of something that's sustainable, and it's also well known. It's a very popular source of green energy. We would walk in, introduce ourselves to the students. After that, we move on to a slide to get them into the presentation and also introduce what the reason was here. And that question was, what does green mean? We would ask this question, we got answers like green means go or green's a color, but occasionally we get an answer that we were aiming for, which was green means recycling, and green means it helps the environment. And once we told them what the answer we wanted was, it would kind of introduce our reason, which is to raise awareness about green energy literacy. And then we went on to explaining the Lego model, how it works, how it rolls. One group member would go around and give the students an interactive feel by rolling the car for them, and if they wanted to, they could roll it themselves and see how much energy the car produced. And then we would tell them about the history of the car, where it started, and how it's still being produced today with the Tesla.
So first we walk into the classroom and with our presentation, and while we get set up, we introduce ourselves, and then we go through the presentation, which includes steps on how to use the solar panel and a biblical integration. After we do that, we show them a demonstration with ourselves of how the power goes from the solar energy into stuff like your TV or your lights or whatever. And then after that, we ask them for the questions that they have. And then after that, we pass around some solar panels, and we have someone else go around and demonstrating how our solar panel works to the other kids.